Absolutely. I'm glad you brought this point up about the situation in Hyderabad. We've been focusing a lot lately on the issues plaguing the Telangana in general. If we talk about the government hospital, if we talk about Osmania for that matter, there was waterlogging. There is waterlogging again. In fact, patients have been shifted to adjacent wards. Gandhi Hospital for that matter, there was a power cut of almost 20 minutes. And the government there really not prioritizing at this stage, I would say, because the KCR government is planning to reconstruct the old secretariat. Abhishek Jagini, if I can come to you, do you think this is a case of priorities gone wrong? Probably because there is more that the government needs to focus at this point in the state of Telangana.
Absolutely, Shamshika. People in Telangana and especially Hyderabad are missing this thing badly. They doubt whether they are ruled by an Aurangzeb who is on free of pulling down buildings or a Nero who wants to have his entertainment when the city is burning. There is absolutely no decisiveness from the government, no accountability, and the press releases and the official details from the districts, the state every evening. When there is a mismatch of numbers, mismanagement, misgovernance. There is no effectiveness and efficiency in their decision making. There is a fallacy. The CM needs to reach certain in a hospital which you think caters to a few lakh people, over 30 lakh or 25 lakh people. Couldn't the municipal corporation of the state government install 2 heavy machine pumps to pull out the water? Do we want to create a swimming pool ward in our hospitals? The leaders of the opposition, representatives of the other parties are discouraged from going to government hospital. The CM is not interested to talk to anybody. His son, who runs the government on his behalf, is busy conducting, shows, Last Chicken, and on the other side is, other events and other shows. And what is the attention they are paying to this? They have converted an entire stadium into a hospital, but are they extending facilities?
Absolutely. I agree with you, there. But just another point I would like to bring in at this point. If we talk about the cases in the national capital where we've seen a sharp decline in cases, of course, the Kejriwal model of handling COVID crisis is something which has been lauded by various state governments. Do you agree that there is a lot that probably the state governments can really take away from the measures that have been taken by the Kejriwal government in the national capital?
I'm not sure of the measures taken by the Kejriwal government at Delhi, but I'm sure the hospital, the temporary structure built by the ITBP with thousands of beds and direct monitoring by Minister Amit Shah ji. What is important is you need to visit the site, be there, bridge the gap, show decisiveness, show your bold leadership there. That is required. Not addressing the media once in a while. The government has failed terribly in Telangana in coordination. Hand-holding is important. Poor people are not able to afford to go to private hospitals. Government hospitals are in really horrible conditions. They have lost more than 3 journalists in these hospitals who have put out their videos almost like a death note, few hours before they died, that despite their access to the finance minister and the health minister, they are not able to get a bed or they are not able to get even an oxygen cylinder. This is where leadership is required. This is where you need to connect people, and bring in the facilities and logistics. I don't understand the priority of pulling down the
Absolutely, I agree with you there, Abhishek. Right. Leadership is actually needed at this point in time. The right measures to really control the spread, to come up with more measures and increase tests is what